Alright, let's solve some more equations with fractions. So let's see, we're going to start out with 5 over 9 times v is equal to 35. Alright, so as with the first video I made, we want to look at the denominators. We have a 9 and a 1. You really don't have to worry about the 1, but if you wonder what the denominator is there, it's a 1. The least common multiple is 9. Okay, if we count by 9s and we count by 1s, 9 is the first number they both run into. So we multiply by 9 and we get 45 over 9 v is equal to 35 times 9. Okay, let's do this over here. So we have 5, it's 45, 27 and 4 is 31, so 315. Alright, so let's see. We have 45 over 9, which is 5v is equal to 315. To solve this, all we have to do is divide both sides by 5. And we have v is equal to, well, let's do this math over here. 5 goes into 31 6 times. That's 30. 5 goes into 15 3 times, so we get 63 for our answer. Alright, let's do another problem here. Let's say we have 3 over 16 is equal to 1 over 8 times z. Alright, this time we have 8 and 16 as our denominators. The least common denominator, or least common multiple, is 16. If we do this by making fractions, if we reduce our fraction, we have 1/2. And when we cross multiply, we get 16. So that's our LCM. You could also count by 8s and 16s. 8 plus 8 is 16, and you see that 16 is the first number we run into. Alright, so anyhow, let's multiply by 16. We have 16 times 3, and that's going to give us 48 over 16, which equals 16 times 1, which is 16 over 8, in z. Alright, 48 over 16 is 3. 16 over 8 is 2. And we still have a z. And then we have one step. We have to get to z by itself, so we're dividing by 2. That gives us 3 over 2 is equal to 1z, or we can just say that z is equal to 3 over 2. Alright, let's take a look here at another problem. We have 5 over 2 is equal to 4/3 y. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, and therefore we have 30 over 2 is equal to 24 over 3y. 30 over 2 is 15. 24 over 3 is 8. And we have the y. I'm going to rewrite my problem. And if I divide by 8, that'll get the y by itself, because that's a 1 now. And so I have 15 eighths is equal to 1y, or y is equal to 15 over 8. We'll do one more problem here. Let's see. Alright, so we have negative 1/4 is equal to 1 over 5b. And we're going to multiply by the LCM of 4 and 5, which would be 20. And that gives us negative 20 over 4 is equal to 20 over 5b. This is negative 5 is equal to 4b. We'll write this over here. And to get b by itself, we'll divide by 4. We get negative 5 over 4 is equal to 1b. Or b is equal to negative 5 over 4.